Bora Bora, a jewel in the South Pacific, beckons with its warm, sunny embrace in February. This tropical paradise, renowned for luxury and relaxation, is at its prime for those eager to dive into its crystal-clear waters or bask on its sun-kissed beaches. February marks the heart of summer on the island, with temperatures averaging a comfortable 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Low humidity makes it an ideal time for outdoor enthusiasts to explore the lush forests or hike the hilly terrain, encountering the island's diverse wildlife. The water, equally inviting, sets the stage for snorkeling among vibrant fish, turtles, and even sharks. Remember, the sun here is potent. Sunscreen and protective clothing are essential. Beyond the beaches, Bora Bora's rich culture awaits. Visitors can immerse themselves in traditional Polynesian dance, savor local cuisine and cooking classes, or explore the island's history through its temples. The Haiva Festival, with its dance and music, and the Tama Festival, celebrating local life, are cultural highlights not to be missed. Accommodation options range from overwater bungalows offering panoramic views to family-friendly resorts and boutique hideaways. For a more intimate experience, vacation rentals like apartments and villas let guests live like locals. When hunger strikes, the island's dining scene serves up everything from traditional Polynesian dishes to international cuisine. As the sun sets, Bora Bora's nightlife comes alive. Bars and clubs pulse with the rhythms of live music and Polynesian dance, while resorts offer a variety of shows. Whether you're seeking serenity or adventure, Bora Bora in February promises an unforgettable escape. Book with a French Polynesia at Far and Away Adventure.